Good morning, guys. Ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng The Intruder. So, halika na at laruin na natin.
Your life is more valuable than your belongings. Remember these steps and you'll know what to do in case of an intruder incident.
Ano raw?
This is an official report from the police department. We have received reports that a criminal is in your local area. Unfortunately, the phone service will be down for repairs. Here are steps to ensure your safety if you are a victim of an intruder incident. 1. Hide and don't wander the house. Stay in one room. 2. Wait for the intruder to leave the home. 3. If the intruder sees you, then I hope you are now prepared for when you are in an intruder incident.
The hell, bro? Read the manual on the to survive. The phone will occasionally ring out due to power disruption from repairs outside. It is your job is silence the phone. The longer the phone rings, the higher the intruder awareness will rise. If the awareness is 100%, then that means the intruder is completely aware. What the? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ha? Again, otro. Single player, bro, dahil di man hadlock. It's not even that scary, bro. Try natin sa now. Doon muna tayo sa house, tapos hard. Try natin hard.
Case 2.
This is an official report.
Uy, paano ako mag-out dito? Shoot. Uy! Exit. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. So, dapat magtago kapag what the Hirap namang larong to. Single player. Doon tayo sa mall. Try natin sa mall.
case too.
The intruder's presence can instantly raise anxiety. To lower the anxiety, keep the lights on and stay on the cameras. Don't let the anxiety reach. The intruder will start outside and will progressively go towards your room. You can spy on the intruder from your cameras. Can burn out your power if he's outside in the back. The intruder can enter your room at any time, so if he does, then do the following. Turn off the light, proceed the closet, and close the door. Stay absolutely still. The intruder can detect movement. Wait for the... Oh, no, 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 no. Off, 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 off.
Hey, are you in there? It's me, your mom. I just wanted to get a hug from you. Come open the door. It's in here.
No! Uy. Inang yan. Exit, 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 exit! Okay. So kapag... Shoot! Shoot! Reset! Bilisan mo! So kapag nanonood tayo ng CCTV or ng computer. Shit.
Hey there, it's me, your dad. Remember me? I just wanted to come visit and have a chat. Come open the door.
Gago.
Well, player, look here. I ain't one of these 65 ass rabbit, dick in the dog, dirty ass sucker fuck niggas, okay?
Shit, shit, shit. Ayaw glihok, ayaw glihok. Buta. Shit. Ang anxiety, bro. Open. Turn on the light tapos CCTV. Tiyo ka klaro ba eh. Exit dayon. Oh, hell no. Nya exit. Fuck. Shit. Bros, this son of a bitch. Reset the power, bro. Fuck! Uy! Shit. Fuck, ayaw. I'm dead, bro. Yup. Ayoko na. So yun lang guys, dito mo ko muna tatapusin yung video. I know short lang siya pero nakakainis ng larong to.
Stop it. Get some help.
Ba't palagi akong namamatay, bro? I already figured out the game pero too hard siya para sa akin. So yun lang guys and peace.